traditional French spirit, distilled in the Rhone Alps and bottled in the Paris region. Very nice. So I have here my absinthe glass, I have here my absinthe spoon, and I also have here some sugar lumps. So I'll place a sugar cube on top of my absinthe spoon. I will then pour a measure on top of the sugar cube. Just like so. And so that's probably about 25-30 milliliters. I'll then take some water and slowly drip the water over the sugar cube. So I have here my jug of water. So as you can see here, I am slowly dripping the water on top of the sugar lump, causing the sugar lump to dissolve and diluting my absinthe to its desired dilution. So there, I've just turned off the water, and there I have a beautiful, milky, creamy, well, it's not creamy, well, it looks like cream, like a milky green consistency to my absinthe. I believe on the back of the bottle it suggests that you have 1 part absinthe to 5 parts water. I believe I've got something like that, more or less. So may I just say, cheers. That is very nice. Quite an aniseed flavouring to it. I'm not sure if this is plants of absinthe. So it might be, so the absinthe plant, if that is correct, maybe I'm wrong, tastes very much like aniseed. It's a rather nice, pleasant flavour. I mean, this is a 68%. I might just try some on its own. So I'll just take a nosing glass here. And so this is beautiful, beautiful green colour. This is a 68%. So may I just say, cheers. That is a lot more potent, obviously, because I haven't added any water or sugar. But it is a lot stronger and very much, you can't appreciate the flavours of the aniseed or the absinthe flavour because it's not sweet. It's slightly bitter. Obviously this is sweeter because I've added sugar, and this is a slightly more pleasant. So may I just say once again, cheers.